Here in problem number 28, we're given the position function for a particle moving along an x-axis, and we're asked to find the acceleration of the particle at the point where the particle's velocity is first equal to 0. So first we have to find a few functions. If we're given position to discuss velocity, what we need to do is differentiate. So what we get is the velocity is going to be cosine of t plus sine of t. And now if we want to discuss acceleration, what we need to do is take the derivative of a velocity. All right. Now, we're going to have to evaluate the acceleration function, but we're going to have to first find a value. They want to know when the velocity is first equal to 0. So we need to find when is the cosine of t plus the sine of t going to equal 0. Well, cosine plus sine is going to equal 0 when the cosine and sine have opposite values. Or in other words, if the cosine of t is the opposite of the sine of t, or vice versa. So you know this is going to have to deal with some type of 45-degree angle, or 45-degree angle in radians is pi over 4 radians. Let's find the first place where this will happen. Okay. So if we have 45 degrees of pi over 4, sine and cosine are both positive. They're not opposites of each other. Let's go to the second quadrant. If you have a 45-degree reference angle, the sine is positive, but the cosine is negative. So these will be opposites of each other. So that's, what, 3 pi over 4 radians. So the value of t that we're looking for has been found. Now t is 3 pi over 4 radians. So now we need to evaluate the acceleration at 3 pi over 4 radians. That's going to be negative 1 times the sine of 3 pi over 4 plus the cosine of 3 pi over 4. All right. Well, let's see. We know with 45, 45, 90 triangles, our sine and cosine values on a unit circle are going to be root 2 over 2. So what we're looking at here, the sine value is positive. So you get the opposite of positive root 2 over 2 plus the cosine value is negative. So we're going to have a negative root 2 over 2. So adding a negative is the same thing as subtracting. So you see we're going to get negative 2 root 2 over 2. Right? Combining these fractions, and the 2's factors of 2 in the numerator and denominator eliminate each other. And our answer is simply, our answer is simply negative root 2. Matches option letter A. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.